Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing everything: export product, theme, and customer CSVs, because once deleted, those records are costly to recreate. Next, disable storefront passwords and cancel or note subscriptions so billing isn't surprised. This also prevents app actions during reset. Once done, make sure you have owner or collaborator access to the Shopify admin. You need permissions to remove apps, edit themes, and change store settings. This reduces rollback time and preserves legal and tax data for later restoration. Now you perform the complex middle steps. Uninstall each app from the Apps page, and then manually remove associated webhook and metafield data because many apps leave artifacts. After that, delete products and collections in manageable batches. Use CSV deletion to avoid UI timeouts. This speeds bulk removal. Make sure to revert theme customizations or delete custom themes, but retain a backup of your live theme. These actions ensure a clean store foundation while preserving recoverable assets. Finish by reconfiguring core settings. Confirm shop details, business address, taxes, shipping zones, and payment providers so orders process correctly. Then test the storefront and full checkout flow using a low-value test payment to verify emails and fulfillment notifications. If something fails, like missing products or broken checkout, restore CSV backups or revert the saved theme. If persistent, contact Shopify support and provide timestamps and recent changelogs. This troubleshooting step gets you back online quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.